A type of problem that is often encountered in a section dealing with midpoint is a problem where you're given the endpoints. You're given one endpoint of a segment and the midpoint, and you have to find the other endpoint. So A is one of the endpoints. Let's approximate the location of that, -1, 3. And that will be point A. And the midpoint, 3, -5, let's approximate that distance about, it'll be about right there, I suppose. And that's the midpoint. And we need to find the other endpoint that will be way down here somewhere. These are the coordinates that we're trying to find. Well, A, the y coordinate of A is 3. So where is 3 here? The y coordinate of point M is -5. So we've gone from 3 down to -5, and that's only halfway. Well, how far down have we gone? We've gone down 8 units. So guess what? We've got to go down 8 more units to get all the way. So we end up all the way down here at wherever 8 below -5 would be. That would be -13. So we know that the y coordinate of the other endpoint will be -13. Now let's look at the x coordinate of point A. That's -1. And the x coordinate of the midpoint is 4. So to get from the endpoint A to the midpoint, why did I write 4? I know I wrote 4 because I'm thinking ahead. It's a 3. To get from the endpoint A to the x coordinate of the midpoint, M, we had to go right 4 units. We had to add 4 to the x coordinate. Well, guess what? We're going to have to add 4 more to get the other end because this is just the midpoint. So we end up all the way out at 7. And so 7 is going to end up being the x coordinate of the other endpoint. So this point here has the coordinate 7, -13. You just figure out each coordinate individually using common sense and what halfway means.